Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see here, guys, the daily candle is finished here, and it's still the same. Nothing was changed, guys, as I showed it to you before. Only something happening in 30 minutes. I'm going to show it to you when we reach there. So make sure to watch all the video till you reach to 30 minutes, because there is very important thing happening in 30-minute time frames, guys. When we reach there, I'm going to show it to you. So here in the daily, guys, as you see it, we still have here that inside bar, and that's what I told you. We're going to stay here sideways till Monday. Then we're going to see what's going to happen, because till now it doesn't break down and it doesn't break up. And that level where we are here, that one here, it's still very stronger, guys. Even if I show it to you like that in my chart, as you see it, it's still very stronger. And the price, he couldn't break here. And as you see down here, guys, look with me. Here down, what you see in down here, what the volume is showing you, guys, it's getting lower and lower, as you see it, as if they are stairs here, guys. Look at them, that two pushing up, and look here what the volume doing here. It drying here, guys. So there is not a lot of people they buying now, because people they want to invest in Bitcoin. They still waiting what's going to happen here, guys. Either to come a candle to break up, that's when there is a buying opportunity and the price of Bitcoin it will go higher more than that, or from here it will go down, guys. So here in the daily, there is nothing confirmed, guys. In the weekly, tomorrow when the weekly candle finishes, I'm going to come back to you, guys. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Yes, I'm talking to you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we are a very special YouTube channel only about Bitcoin, guys. Every day we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now, guys. To join us is very simple. A red button down, click at it. You're going to become subscribed. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be the first one who get it. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment down. Go to it and join us, guys. Because in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Here, what did I told you about that level here? If you remember, I told you it needs to be breaking here. And for the people that following us, that 2 days, I told you to enter long from here. Till now, you make nice profit, yes or no? So now, you need to start thinking maybe to take some of the profit, my friend. Why? Because that level, look at it. It's still very stronger here. And the sellers, they're getting more bigger here, as you see them. As you see down here, that volume. The volume of sellers, they're getting more bigger, guys. So now, what should we do? People, they enter from here. Try to protect yourself. Move the stop loss up a little bit. And let's wait in what's going to happen. And I told you, I see it like that. Even for tomorrow, it's going to make here a correction like that, maybe. We're going to stay here sideways till Monday, guys. Because big players, they still waiting what the Bitcoin is going to do. And here, as majority of you know, here it gives us the high. Here, then it gives us here a low, guys. So now for us to know we are in an uptrend, it's need to come and to break for us that last low, which is here, that one here. It doesn't break it, as you see it, it's staying here. That man, there is no big power in the market, guys, to push more higher here, yes or no? So now, as I tell it to you before, it might here is going to break it and it's going to go higher, or it might is going to come and to give us like that a double top, guys, or a M. And that's what it's indicating. It's indicating the market is going to fall down, guys. Everything is too clear here. You get the picture or no? Now we need to wait in the coming days what they are going to tell us, guys, here. Either we're going to break that level here, and that's when we are going to go to 23k or 25k, or from here we are going back to 20k, guys. Everything is very simple, guys. Or it might is going to stay here like that sideways for 2 or 3 days till it's going to give us here a big flag like that. Then it's going to break up and it's going to go higher, and that's my view to it. Me personally, I think that's what it's going to do. It's going to stay sideways here like that for some time. Then after that, it's going to break higher, guys. So you need to wait in what's going to happen, guys. I think everything is too clear. And here in my chart, me what I got, as you see it, guys. So if you bring it like that, where is 1.61? Is it here as you see it? Is it at 21,663? So maybe that another story, guys. And here in my chart what I got, I show you all those things before. I told you we got here the upper of that channel, it's been broken here, the prices came back and resting in the top of it. Now it's going up. So now for us to know is a real breakout, it's need to break that last high which is here, that one. Yes or no, guys? By the way, I know you are a subscriber. You smash the like button, my friend. Go ahead and do it, my friend. Helping us, guys. You know that channel without you and you, it can growing up. So please pause the video, go down, smashing the like button, writing down a comment. It will not take you that much, my friend. Just a few seconds. Please go now and smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. I think everything is too clear here in the 4 hours, guys. So now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what they saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, that will make me scared me. Tell now, guys, that indicator here, what it's showing here. That one here, it's showing a divergence, guys. As you see it here, what it's showing here. A very, very clear divergence. Let me show it to you. As you see, guys, here, that indicator of us, it touch here the top. It touches here, it touch over bottom. Now look where we are here. In the chart, we are similar to that level here. But here in our indicator, as you see it, as we are falling down. So there is something not right here in that indicator, guys. You get it or no? In the chart, both of them, they look like that. Both of them, they are equal. The two peaks, they are equal, guys. But here in our indicator, look what it's showing here. And look that one where it is. It show you here a divergence, guys. It's a very, very, very clear divergence here in the 4 hours, guys. So that one, it's need to make you to be worried a little bit, guys. It might from here, you're going to see the Bitcoin falling down, guys. Yes, us here, we are in the control of the bulls, guys. Not like how we used to be before in the control of the bears. But that peak here, it make me scared a little bit, guys. Because it's showing here a little bit divergence in the 4 hours, and in the 4 hours a divergence like that, it's a very, very, very scaring, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, and we're going to come back to you, guys, after European market close on tomorrow is Sunday. So the time of European market close, we're going to come back to you by another video. So if you are not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. That one here, even that one here, as you see it, guys, it's showing here a divergence here. If you see it, even that one, that indicator of us here, it's showing here a divergence, guys. Yes or no? We don't got here any price action. It's showing us we're going to fall down, guys. But here, that indicator, it's showing here a divergence. That's something. It make me worried a little bit. Maybe the price is going to fall down, guys. Because look at it, the peak. It used to be here. Let me zoom it for you. What you see in here, guys. Same thing. You see the peak where it used to be here and here. As you see it or no? If you come and you're connecting those dots like that, what is going to tell you, guys? Look here. Exactly here. It's a divergence, yes or no, in 4 hours, guys. So here in the chart, what it's showing, both of them, they are equal here. But here it's showing one is higher than the other one. Yes or no? Even in the volume, guys. Look in the volume here, same thing. Something not right, yes or no? But our indicator here is it at the overbought area, guys. Also, we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Price action, we don't got any price action here in the 4 hours, guys. Unless if that one came and do like that. That is going to be a price action. Yes, you have another price action here. Let me show it to you. Here, you came to the lower of that candle here and you draw it like that. You try to draw here a channel like that, or you can even draw in another thing like that. Like that, as you see it, guys. So till now, as we're still higher than it, it needs to come down, and if it came down, that man is going to give us a double top, guys. So till now there is no price action, but also we got a divergence in two indicators, guys, and that level here, it show a very, very stronger level, yes or no? So let's wait in the coming news, guys, what is going to bring for us the news to tell us, because us we know the coming news or the next week is going to be very, very stronger news. So let's wait and see what's going to happen. Maybe that one, all that move here, it's just a trap, because if it was a real breakout, guys, what have you see the Bitcoin doing like that? But now, as you see it, what's it doing here? It came here and here it's staying sideways, guys. So it might here we staying like that for some time, then we are going to move up. Then all that is going to be a continuation or another story. It might is going to stay here like that. Then after that it's going to drop. So also we are in the time of to wait the moment of the truth, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. What did I told you in the last video me here? I told you he's trying to give you here in that zone a head and shoulder. Did it give it to you? Yes. Look at it. See it or no? Look here. Not the first shoulder, not the head, not the second shoulder, guys. It give you here in 30 minutes a head and shoulder. Another thing, that the thing I told you I want to show you. What that volume telling you here. You see it or no? Look down here. The volume, that red volume, how much it spiked, guys. So there is a big selling happening here in that zone, guys. So here in 30 minutes was also I told you in the last video. I told you got here a wedge like that. Yes or no? I told you if it's being broken down, also we are going to enter short. And that big selling off happening here, it's showing there is a big people they selling, they taking profit here. Yes or no? So now what else we will do? If it came down and breaking for us that wedge us we draw in here, as you see it, we will enter short, guys. Take profit of us where I told you here exactly. At that level here, guys. Everything is too clear? Did you smash the like button, my friend? I know you don't. Go ahead and do it, please. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment, support us, guys. Also, we give you our time, our analysis free, my friend. We just ask you to give us a like button, to write down a comment, so do it, please. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much. It's our indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, same thing here. As I show you in the 4 hours, the same thing here. We got a divergence here in our indicator, guys. From that one and that one. Here, you got a divergence. Let me show it to you. As you see it, guys. You see here, that one is higher than here. Yes or no? It just came like that and you draw it like that a line. You see a divergence, guys. Yes or no? Even here in 30 minutes, it's very clear. I'm going to show it to you in our other indicator, guys. And here, us we be in here at the overbought area. If you remember us from that double bottom, we enter long, guys. And here I told you to take some profit. Now here, first things, we are at the overbought level. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Price action, we got one, I show you, we got a head and shoulder and we got a wedge and we got a lot of things. So now if it's breaking down here, we need to enter short, guys. Take profit, I told you, here down. Another thing, let me show you our other indicator, guys, what it's saying. That one here, guys, what's it saying? If you remember us from here, what we said? We said we got here a divergence, yes or no, guys? So also we're going to bring that peak from here till here, guys. What you seeing? It's a very, very, very clear divergence here in 30 minutes, guys. It's a very, very, very clear divergence here. That's why I told you, I think there is a falling coming, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.